now invite the founder of the Global Energy Parliament, the charitable Isha Vishwa Pragnana Trust, His Holiness Jagadguru Swami Isha, for the founder's address.
The name of total consciousness, receiving wholehearted education minister, because you're discussing, you are living with the education. All are living inside the knowledge. Without knowledge, we have no life. Now Swami is interacting. All the parliament members can able to listen what Swami is saying with the help of your thought. Without thought, you have no awareness about Swami and all these activities. Ourself, because of awareing, because of thought. Without thought, we have no awareness. This thought, based on this thought, we are acquiring, we are learning knowledge. We are sharing knowledge. Education, taking and giving. At a time, teacher want to become a student, student want to become a teacher. Teacher always never become a teacher. Without learning, teacher can't share the knowledge. When student going to think about what I want to know as a teacher, then only he can able to realize I want this. Then only he can able to receive or ask or beg. This giving and taking process is education. This education purely based on thought. Now you can see Swami, because of this eye, there is a lens is there. The same way thought is the lens. If you want to aware of the objective outside world, that called object. This body, mind, intellect, ego, ignorance, then plus vibrating consciousness. This called this self or this entity, that called subject. The entire knowledge we can divide it into two. One is objective knowledge, another is the subjective knowledge. What are the knowledge outside? Everything is inside. Unfortunately, present day, we only teaching outer knowledge. We just ignoring self-knowledge. When anything we need, or anybody feel hunger or thirst, they're going to receive outside food or water. Without objective water, you can fulfill your thirst. Without objective food, you can fulfill your hunger. Everything outside, the same thing is inside. What we want, how much we want, the proportion we want to realize. Before consuming, this proportion, balancing proportion, knowledge is very important. Education for that. What are the things we are consuming, we are taking? After some time, we want to release outside. What are the things inside that releasing? What are the things outside that we are receiving? This process is continuously going on. There is no separate entity, outer world and inner world. This knowledge very important. As a teacher, the same way the student, all are expecting, everybody want to love me. If you want to love, first you share that love, others also. because outer love based on self-love. Outer love and self-love, there is no separate entity. What we receiving, what we want, how you are going to receive, this we want to realize. Education for that purpose. How much I want to receive, how much I want to provide outside. This balance is very important. Good food, more you are going to eat, lead to indigestion, lead to disease also. The same way, we are dumping information inside the intellect. Most of the knowledge not necessary also. What we need, that we want to receive. What are the knowledge we are receiving, that we want to digest. Then only proper or a real human being we want to mold. That's very important. When we receive food, digestion is important. The same way, knowledge we receive after the digestion is necessary, assimilation. But all the schools only pouring knowledge without skill. Each and every knowledge inbuilt with skill. Without skill, there is no knowledge. Each and every education institution must be teaching place, a research place, and production place also necessary. Then only institution become schooling or education become self-sufficient. That's a very important aspect. As a nation, as a whole world, this concept is very important. Teacher and student is a potential entities. We want to utilize properly. Knowledge want to become skill. Skill want to become knowledge. This linking factor is a digestion, is a chemistry is necessary. For that, we need this heart. Emotion is necessary. Positive emotion is necessary. Teacher need positive emotion. The same way, students also want positive emotion. This positive relation, interaction is necessary. Means good relation between teacher and student. This teacher and student relation starting from the house means first teacher, the school is a house itself. That's why the reason we need education in Trinity plane. Teacher, student, and parent. This Trinity oriented education is necessary. Theory, emotion, intellect, emotion, and action. Intellect, mind, and body. Together, then only knowledge become complete. The same way, when we are practicing, this Trinity is very important aspect. We want to educate parents, teacher, and student. Both the Trinity's interaction or education is very important. Coming generation, if you want to mold for a better human being, we need total education. Total education means based on two concepts. One is non-vibrating consciousness. Another is vibrating consciousness. Consciousness never vibrating means total consciousness. When this consciousness going, the vibrating consciousness, that called energy. Energy means vibrating consciousness. Non-vibrating energy is total consciousness. Only existing two forms of consciousness. One is non-vibrating, all-pervading consciousness. That we are calling so many terms: God, truth, happiness, divinity. So many terminologies we are using. Simply, we can make him perfect understanding, it is a non-vibrating consciousness. The same consciousness, it is going to vibrating plane, that is energy. Entire universe is the byproduct of energy. All the product is a relative reality, always changing. The combination is changing. All the atoms are changing. Subatomic particles are changing. Then all the fermion and boson and everything is changing. The quantum, the gross quantum and the subtle quantum, always changing. The mixed quantum, all the quantum energy also always changing. Nothing is going to constant. It's always changing. That is the existing world, including our own self. A single cell become a full-fledged human being. This change is continuously going on. This relative reality, also consciousness, that is vibrating consciousness. Only two things, the non-vibrating consciousness and consciousness, vibrating consciousness. Means finally that is on, that's a consciousness. In a two plane, one is not vibrating, another is vibrating. This vibrating energy into two dimensional world, outside world or inside world. These two world knowledge we are learning from everywhere. All the school teaching this knowledge, outer world knowledge and inner world knowledge. Usually inner world means we are only focusing the body, skeleton and all this body, physical body only we are focusing. We are missing one aspect, education, that is pranic science. Literacy we are teaching, learning, numeracy we are teaching, science we are teaching, but we never open still now pranic science also, life science. We are living being. Without life science, we are teaching and learning for one to become a real human being. How it is possible? It is impossible, because we want to know about life. The life science is very, very important. When we are going through, when we are entering that point, that time, only we are going to realize the mighty power of our own thoughts. Thoughts have two dimensions, one outside dimension, another is inside dimension. You think this thought is a lens. When we going to make more and more power, the outer world reality means relative reality going to reveal that outer world knowledge. If you want to realize this thought lens, want to magnify, the magnifying dimensional vision or the knowledge is entire outer world knowledge. Still now, most of the present education not that open inner dimensional thought lens vision. That's we want to open. For that, this pranic science want to include also. Then only we can able to realize the mind, intellect, ego, ignorance, then vibrating consciousness. We are always saying, I am aware about all these. What is awareness? This vibrating consciousness making shadows. That shadows we are calling information or knowledge or awareness. For these shadows, because of consciousness, light is behind. Vibrating consciousness, light is behind. That's why the reason all the shadow-based knowledge we can able to understand. When we want to share, when we want to receive, this reality is very, very important. This functioning reality we want to realize. Each and every student and teacher must be learn this reality. That learning, not a mugging process. That each and every knowledge want to become emotion, then put into practice. Like a mother, when she feel children are not happy because of they feel hungry. What she going to do? With love and affection, she going to prepare food. So many materials she is using for preparing food. Then with the love, she going to share this food with a pleasing mind and enjoyable way. She's always saying some positive things and making happy. That way, mother is sharing the food. The eating never become a boring. It's an enjoyable process. What knowledge she have, she applied inside the kitchen, and that knowledge become food. That food, she going to share all of them. When they are eating with enjoyable way, mother become very, very happy. This happiness, each and every teacher want to experience. When teacher can able to enjoy such happiness, then only teacher become real teacher. The hungry children really asking that food, they're deserving that food, then only the food become fruitful. Mother service, mother love become fruitful. Actually, this education, this way we want to share. Present education, curriculum and pedagogy, we want to include this literacy, numeracy, science, then pranic science also. Then only the education going to complete. So we don't want to exceed more, because the future, now all are in a pandemic situation, because this virus, this pandemic situation is a man created, means knowledge created. Modern education created this situation. This situation we want to change, man want to change, or man want to decide, because humans knowledge create this situation. Not only this pandemic, the environment, all the present world problems, because of human knowledge or education is the main cause. The education is changed, because partial education means objective oriented education only for material benefit. When it is going to develop, or the objective and subjective separation, or separation we can remove, and both are the own. That oneness, when we can able to realize, then only each and every individual can able to love everybody, which way we are loving our own self. That very important aspect. Everybody expecting, all of them want to love me. That way, I want to love the world. The world is my extension. The world is, when it's become self, that is self. The world and self, there is no separate entity. When I am going to expand, become the world. Then receive, become I. There is no separate entity. This knowledge can only serve present world, or all the time human being want to become humane. This knowledge is necessary. For that, this education for total consciousness is very important for every human being. All of those who are involving for tuning each and every country, especially politicians, especially want to know about this reality. Then only they can become a real politician. Then only they can able to serve the country. This way, each and every individual want to know this. Then only they can love the politician and the country and the nation unity and the global peace and happiness, everything we want to re-establish. The total education is very, very important. This education providing the individual health, environmental health, society health, the universal health also. All the universe want to become balanced. This knowledge is very important. For that, this total education is very, very important. Anyhow, so we want to just discussing about the importance of total education. Anyhow, so we don't want to extend, so we talk in a long time. So we're going to conclude. When you want to love your own self, you must expand, become a universe, because you are respecting universal love. The whole world want to love me. If you want such a love, such a happiness, definitely the total consciousness oriented education is essential. Thank you all of them.
Thank you, Swamiji, for your knowledgeable words.